Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 19. The House is in recess. That means that representatives are going to be focused on their districts and helping constituents directly, rather than legislative solutions. The first thing Rep. Jerry Nadler, New York 12, did when recess started was speak at the Stonewall National Monument protest. This protest was held because the monument's website deleted the T and Q from LGBTQ, even though trans people made Stonewall happen. I wish I could see the speech. Unfortunately, no outlet live streamed it. And therefore, I also don't know if any other representatives were there. If you know that yours was, let me know. Rep. Adam Smith from Washington 9 has created an interactive website called Tracking DT. He says he's going to keep track of all presidential actions on all topics, and he says it will be updated as news breaks. This is an incredible resource that I think a lot of people have been waiting for. Now, I'm not thrilled with California Senator Adam Schiff's tactics of confirming some of DT's nominees, even if his reasoning has to do with FEMA for the LA fires. But I will give credit where credit is due, and this video is amazing. If you don't believe me, just look at how many views it has. That's like AOC or Jasmine Crockett level. It is fun, it is engaging, it is casual, and it looks like he actually understands technology, which is incredibly important when making these videos. It seems to be part of a series called In Case You Missed It, so I can't wait for the next episode next week. Minnesota Senator Tina Smith also posted a phenomenal video. She's back home and she went to University of Minnesota and learned about how the freeze in NIH grants is affecting cancer research. Every one of her videos is phenomenal, but this is probably my favorite. She's just so comfortable. And I love how she's focusing on how the order affects her state, because even some conservatives might be able to connect to this one. And finally, the Senate Judiciary Dems posted this on Threads. They're pushing for an Inspector General investigation into the attempt to dismiss charges against Eric Adams in exchange for Adams assisting the DT White House. Now, a lot of people seem really confused about this. The Chief Inspector General of most departments was fired, but under that person is a deputy, and as of right now, they still have a job. So there is still work being done by the Inspectors General. I will say that they are nonpartisan to the end. So publicly, they will never say that this is what pushed them to open the investigation. But this is the Senate Judiciary Dems using every power they have. And we love to see it. So those are some of today's fighters. Just remember, as I said at the beginning, this week the House is in recess. So figure out where your representative will be and go to them. And tell them in person exactly how you are affected or what you want them to do. Your voice is your superpower, but only when you use it.